Hello there kids. Today we're gonna fly around the world and learn our alphabets. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for giraffe, H for hat, I for igloo, J for jar, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rainbow, S for snake, T for turtle, U for umbrella, V for violin, W for whale, X for xylophone, Y for yacht, and Z for zebra. See you soon! Come on, let's fly around and learn phonics today. A. Apple. B. Ball. C. Cat. D. Dog. E. Elephant. F. Fish. G. Grapes. H. Hat. I. Igloo. J. Jar. K. Kite. L. Lion. M. Monkey. N. Nose. O. Orange. P. Parrot. Q. Queen. R. Rainbow. S. Snake. T. Turtle. Umbrella. V. Violin. W. Whale. X. Xylophone. Y. Yacht. Z. Zebra. Keep practicing, kids. For more videos, please hit subscribe. If you like the video, please press like and share to your friends and family. Thank you.